Hello, super students! You ever struggled to remember what you studied? Or felt like giving up because something was just too hard? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to learn about the magic of practice and how it can help you become a study superstar. Let's get started. This is Sam. Sam's a great kid, but he struggles with math. Every time he tries to study, he feels confused and frustrated.
Why is this so hard? I just can't get it.
Let's think of studying like learning a new sport. Imagine you're learning to play basketball. The first time you try, you might miss the hoop. But what happens if you keep practicing? You get better and better.
Keep going. The more you practice, the better you'll get.
Studying works the same way. The more you practice, the more your brain gets used to the information. Sam decided to practice a little every day, breaking big problems into smaller, easy steps.
Practice makes perfect.
Each time Sam practiced, he got a little better. Soon, what seemed impossible started to make sense. His brain was like a muscle getting stronger with every try. Want to be like Sam? Here are some tips to help you practice.
Start small. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one thing and get really good at it. Practice regularly. Just a little practice every day can make a big difference. Take breaks. Your brain needs rest to remember things better. Ask for help when stuck. Don't be afraid to ask a friend, teacher, or parent if you need help. With practice, Sam went from feeling stuck to feeling super. He could solve problems easily and even helped his friends. He realized that practice didn't just help him study. It made him believe in himself.
Wow! I never thought I'd be good at this. Practice really works.
So remember, everyone, practice isn't just for sports or music. It's the secret to studying too. Don't give up if it feels hard at first. Keep trying, keep practicing, and you'll get better every day. You've got this.